Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Sasha and I am back again with another video. By the title you know what this video is going to be all about, and by my hairnet. Today I'll be doing donuts for the very first time. I know it's weird saying that I consider myself as a home baker and I've never tried, but that's what it's all about, like starting something for the very first time. Everything you're gonna do is gonna be like for the first time when you just started, if that makes sense, until you've gotten better, say like you go up the ladder. So you get better each time. So this is a first, and I know donuts have been around for a long time. So you're gonna come along and bake with me. So I'll be looking at a recipe as I go along, seeing that I've never done this before, and I've got this recipe of Maangchi. Yeah, I think that's her name. She's a Korean Korean YouTuber that does like baked goods and Korean dishes as well. So this is the twisted donuts. What I'll need is 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of that for dusting, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 packet of dry yeast, 5 tablespoons white sugar, 1 cup milk, 1 egg, a half teaspoon salt, corn oil for frying, half teaspoon cinnamon powder. What I don't have, I'll substitute. And also I'll link the channel down below as to where I get this recipe from. So yeah guys, also thank you guys so much for the support, a few likes and views of course, and I know that if it's God's will, my channel will progress over time, and I'm just so like appreciative of you guys that are still supporting your girl. And this is also like my third take of doing this video, and the first take the dogs were barking, the second take what happened, like the background and trying to get in the proper lighting. Knowing that you're a small YouTuber, it is very hard at times, getting the equipment, the proper lighting. It's not easy, but once you have a passion for it, seeing that I love baking and would like to incorporate it in my videos a lot, then it won't be like a big of a deal. It is going to be an issue until I get the proper equipment in due time, if God's will, of course. So I have to just go and bear with it in the meanwhile. Please guys, first thing, like the lighting's not really proper, just bear with me guys, please. And the background as well. Enough rambling, let's get this show on the road. Alright guys, so in my bowl, I don't know if you can see from right there, I have the 2 tablespoons of butter. It's supposed to be melted according to the direction. Add the milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar. So here I have, I think it's last it's milk powder and I had water mixing. So I pour that in it. To one tap over the food, isn't it? And 3 tablespoons of sugar, right? So it's supposed to be white sugar. 3 tablespoons. Since that happened, anything can happen with recording videos, I understand. What? Oh my gosh, tell me all of this guys. Half teaspoon salt next. And the eyeball it. It's about half. You don't need a lot of salt. Now salt up the donuts. Okay, the egg now, and then after I crack the egg, the yeast. I don't know if the egg a bad egg or a good egg, so I have to crack it in here to mash my egg. So I don't know why I actually leave in the utensils that I need. This is how it's looking, guys. It's not really pleasant, but it's going along. Then my eats. This is the rapid instant eats, 1 packet. You guys can see this is how it's looking. Just for you guys is wondering. Okay guys, so now time to add the flour. Working with pizza. That's the strong thing. 1 cup. Two cup. 3 cup. And this is for dusting. So it's said to mix this with a wooden spoon. I don't have any wooden spoon at the moment. You know, they can make things one by one. Don't have any. I said I should have get one, but you know, that's what I'll be using. My handy dandy tablespoon or so on. Just mix. But if you guys can see that, start mix that. By right guys, the yeast is supposed to sit down for 5 minutes. But because I have the rapid instant yeast, it doesn't have to sit. Unlike the instant, I have the rapid. So there's a difference. You can Google it if you don't understand what I'm talking about. So it's looking so far. So I'm just going to take my hand now that it's coming together, and just knead the dough. Guys, do you think this is going to be a success? It's kind of like sticky. Is it supposed to look like this? I don't know, but I guess because we're going to use the 2 tablespoons to flour the board and knead it on, when it's time, it will get the actual texture that I am looking for. So for now, this is what you get. I think I'm supposed to let this sit for an hour and an hour and a half. So I'll see you guys. So yeah guys, take a plastic wrap or a towel, a kitchen towel, and let it sit so it can rise during the 1 hour process, 1 or 1.5 hour. All sealed. So by the time 1 hour is up, it is supposed to be as tall as this. So this is how it looks now guys, just to see a close up so you can know when it doubles in size how it's going to look afterwards. So guys, I almost forgot. We should put half teaspoon of cinnamon powder in a brown paper bag. I don't have any paper bag at the moment, so I like plastic bag. So this is half teaspoon. Just gonna like every time I pour something in a measuring cup, some decide to come out to play on the table, you know? I have things to clean. He's talking stupidness. Right. And guys, you'll never believe how the donut has risen already, and we have about what, 15 minutes or so left. Then I'm gonna dip plates that punch up the dough and then cover it back again. tablespoons of sugar. 1. So it's gonna shake all of that. Shake, 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 shake a tambourine, shake a tambourine. Look at how it's risen. Like, this is the power of yeast. I know that yeast is living in microorganisms. So this is how it looks. Gonna put this aside. Okay guys, after 8 hours, it has risen. So this is how it looks, guys. You remember before it was like a small piece of dough. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna take the gas out of it, the air out of it by kneading it for a couple of minutes. Then I'm gonna put it back again. By the time we're done this, guys, it's 9 o'clock time now. 4:41. If I put it probably down for the next 30 minutes, that would be like 5 something. So like, so yeah. So I just wanna deflate it. Just gonna take up my hand now and knead it. So guys, after kneading it again for a couple more minutes, it's supposed to be soft, they said. And why is it supposed to be like orange? Anyway, it's like, so I do it. So I'm just gonna wrap him up. Let him sit here for another 30 minutes. Here it is. Sit again for another 30 minutes, and then yeah, we're gonna meet again and start rolling it. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see my face. You probably won't see all of me based on how I set up the camera, but that's okay. Just wanna focus now on the thing. So it looks, so it's gonna freeze the relax. Can't wait any longer. Nice coming down. So just gonna plate it. Smell of the yeast. So just gonna flour my board. Better, so I can handle my dough better, please. But when it was like, okay guys, so it's there, it's round, oh, it's so good. Just gonna pinch here, and then just gonna this aside. I'm gonna take my hand now and it's like, so like two even sides. So next even side. So it's 16 pieces. So that's gonna 8 and 8 or 16. So you need 8 here. Just gonna fold these again. Get So that's it. The same thing with this. So guys, this is how they look after I already separate them. Don't know if you can see it because it's getting dark. So it's 16 pieces in total. So I'm just gonna like do them to the desired length or style. So stay tuned for that. This needs to charge. So guys, while the phone was being charged, I did 7 of the twists. I was not expecting it, so I have 8 more left. Is it 8? No, 9. Sorry, 9 more. So I'm just gonna show you what I do. The little time you leave them, they just get like poofy in the bowl. Anyways, like I'll start to follow the YouTuber instruction Maangchi. Not sure if that's her name. So roll them out. It's my first time and I can't believe I actually get them. Not to brag, but guys, they come out so good. And then I use the cinnamon and sugar to rub up on to just give it the coating. And it tastes like pizza dough. It doesn't taste like regular dough juice. And it's not too sweet. So I guess you can add your own sugar, the amount that you want. You know in Jamaica they make every little thing sweet, most things. So you put that this not so sweet. You know you can limit it. So first you should do now like your roll to one side down, one side like. Is it rain coming? Like everything happened today. If I rain a come, why I tell you? Because like they go so under the background, something took them put back one chance. Every good thing happening like today. Rain isn't a bad thing, you know. And then I just kind of like twirl them around to give me that effect. It isn't great, but it isn't the worst, you know. And that's how I got my twists. So I'm gonna show you how they look. So guys, this is how they look with this part of the video. I'm just going to show you the process. I'm not going to show you me, you know, going through, sitting down and doing this since I'm in the kitchen. So now I'm just frying them. You're supposed to make the oil. Well, do not follow me. I just didn't have the patience at the time. Night was coming. Night was down. What am I saying about coming down? It was there. So when they're like brown, you turn them over to the other side. When they're golden brown, you turn them, of course. And look how yummy they look, guys. Like they tasted so good. It tastes like pizza. Well, it's actually dough. Like you use dough for pizza, donuts, other type of pastry, but it was so delicious. I really recommend this recipe. So yeah guys, this is how they look, and it's better to put them like on a like a paper towel, so the excess oil can drain off of them if you don't want like a lot of oil in your plate. And yeah, so right here I'm just coating the donut with the sugar and cinnamon. This is how it looks when you take it apart. Look at that, guys. Look at that texture. So guys, it is all finished and I am so proud of myself. They came out so good. They tasted so yummy. I do recommend baking these. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm just gonna end it right here for now. But you know, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope like you try this at home if you want to and you have enough time. These are so fun to do. It doesn't take a lot of effort, you know. All you just need is patience with this one and a lot of oil. And yeah, patience. So until next time, guys, I'm your girl Sasha, and bye.